Om Gayatri Mahamantra with your back straight. Om Bhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yonah Prachodayat. Invocation of the Divine Master. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Deva Sakshat Par Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha, Akhanda Mandalakaram, Vyaptam Yena Characharam, Tatpadam Darshitam Yena, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha, Om Shri Guruve Namaha. व्यासरूपेण आवहयामि स्थापयामि ध्यायामि पूजयामि ततो नमस्कारं करोमि. Mystical Gayatri Mahamantra, Part 22. Gayatri Mahamantra is also known as Guru Mantra. Why it is known as Guru Mantra? That should be understood. The word Guru is constituted by the combination of two words, Gu and Ru. Gu means esoteric understanding, esoteric knowledge, and Ru means to eliminate the inauspicious. An esoteric understanding that eliminates all that acts as an inauspicious impediment in all terms related with the sustenance and evolution of a being. Guru Tattva. Now, Guru Tattva is a different word which pertains to the outcome of Guru. The word Guru, Guru you have already understood, is a combination of two words. Now, the cumulative outcome. Guru Tattva holds the ultimate importance in the realms of our ancient Indian wisdom. Guru Tattva means the collective outcome of these two words, Gu and Ru. Inner growth of a human divide of Guru Tattva is impossible. Remember that the word under our mention at present is Guru Tattva. Gayatri is the Guru Mantra. It is the esoteric knowledge for elimination of all inauspicious aspects that disallow our evolution, our inner growth. This entire outcome in single term, which means to facilitate the inner growth, the inner evolution, is termed as Brahma Varchas. Brahma Varchas, in other words, through Gayatri Upasana, a seeker benefits and gathers this property, this asset, by the term Brahma Varchas, that helps him further his inner growth while eliminating all impediments in the path. It is Gayatri that has two facets. One is the Brahma Varchas and the other is Brahmastra. Do not get startled by the name Brahmastra. The former facilitates evolution and the other leads to dissolution. The esoteric facet of Gayatri includes all knowledge that pertains with this existence, life, death, rebirth, nature, and all beings. Brahma Vidya that leads towards emancipation, all such aspects fall under Brahma Varchas. And all that comes in the form of various obstacles to stall the inner growth of a human is eliminated by another aspect of Gayatri known as Brahmastra. Brahmastra is understood as a specific weapon, but here it has been deployed as an indicator. Gayatri holds the powers to bless through a boon and also can cast a devastating curse. Its creative and destructive powers travel together. The creative powers lead towards a constant inner growth, whereas the destructive power clears all aspects that acts as impediments to the inner growth of the seeker. One premonition must be observed that destructive power does not necessarily mean the force that acts to only harm others. The ability and reach of a seeker's blessing or curse depends upon the savings of a seeker in the form of its sadhana, the treasure of sadhana one beholds. The fire is there in the candle and furnace both, but intensity matters a lot, and respectively matters the quantum of sadhana of a seeker, the quality of sadhana of a seeker as well. The power of Gayatri shall nurture the positive propensities and incinerate the negative propensities in order to alleviate to elevate. Now, here comes the word when the word term which we are elaborating upon as Guru Mantra, then what is Guru Diksha or initiation? It must be well understood. And all this knowledge comes to me through my exalted master, who was a Gayatri Siddh and the rightful source to disseminate such knowledge. What is the purpose of need of any Guru Diksha or initiation? We keep hearing about it a lot. The first objective of an initiation or Diksha, as in Sanskrit and Hindi, is that there is a constant enrichment of faith within the seeker. Faith, for which the most apt word is Shraddha. The Guru facilitates the strength of faith in a seeker, for it depends upon the strength of one's faith towards one's objective and technique of sadhana. The abilities of the seeker shall develop in accordance with the strength of one's faith. It is a famous saying that conveys that one that holds faith is benefited by knowledge. Shraddhavan labhate jnanam. Having faith is not becoming blindfold. Who else shall hold on to its faith more than a scientist in his or her pursuit? The uncompromising and unconditional love with one's objective is known as faith. Strength of faith disallows any infringement by continuous failures, criticism, etc. Despite million odds, the faith enables one to continue to slog in one's core pursuit. The same goes for a seeker in his sadhana, his or her sadhana. Faith acts as a seeker's strength during moments of zero effects coming out of his or her sadhana, in the moments of great distress, dissuasion, and discouragement. That is the purpose of Diksha, initiation. One of the purpose is faith. Enrichment of faith is the first and the foremost objective of initiation. The second objective of Diksha or initiation is to instill and monitor discipline within a seeker. There should be someone towards whom you are held responsible, accountable. Someone that can question you upon your indiscipline in sadhana, can monitor you, can somewhere even slightly reprimand you if need be. Faith and discipline are two primary objectives of Diksha or initiation in the spiritual terms. This answers the role of a guru in the light of an Diksha or initiation. Devoid of these two, there exists maximum probability for the deflection of a seeker from its core spiritual pursuit, which strictly mandates austerity. Gayatri is the Guru Mantra, for it holds both of these aspects within itself, that is, energy and light. Energy and light, which acts as a laser to incinerate the impediments. It strengthens faith and instills discipline. Having said this, in this particular episode, which is very important, especially from the light of the initiation, which a number of times is a subject that arises before sadhak seekers, especially who want to start and observe their Gayatri sadhana, this question keeps coming up. Where to find a guru, how to find a guru. We'll answer more upon that, but first it should be understood that what is the need of a guru. And once that is understood, then probably one will be able to understand what is the exact requirement that I have and can it be very well fulfilled, nurtured, looked after, monitored by some other term as well. Well, I leave it over here. More to come upon the same aspect in the next episode. Till then, ओम ही सत्य है, ओम ही सत्य है, ओम ही सत्य है.